the guidance for all the Leos. And if we see, guys, if we see last few cards, we are seeing like Aries, Taurus, and this Cancer. You people are getting success card, so it's something good vibe. Okay, there is something good to happen to you all. So just you need to just get self-disciplined, wait for good time. That's it. Manifest something good. Now this is for all the Leos. Let's see what is kept for Leos. Okay, look, the first card for Leo is compromise. It's not a negative card, it's okay card. Okay, compromise means, in this card, compromise means there is something which you are not agreeing to, and if you agree to do like something, like you're not agreeing to your partner, you're not agreeing to your parents, you're not agreeing with your company or your boss or something, but if you do little bit of compromise, then the situation in your life can be good. Okay, so don't think that you need to compromise for it's not good. Compromise is not a good thing. No, it's not that. Compromise is good till the time you both are heading for the good deed. Compromise is good. So this card is saying, if you see, there is a आप तराजू देख रहे हैं, तराजू में बराबर हुए, राइट? तो वही है, आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज अगर आप करते भी हैं तो कोई बुराई नहीं है. इट्स नॉट बैड. फॉर हैप्पी आउटकम, कुछ अच्छा अगर आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके कुछ अच्छा होता है तो इट्स नॉट बैड. So it's okay if you compromise. Okay, and when you compromise with the situation, example, you compromise with the situation you're working with and you're not happy, but abundance will bring in. You will have abundance. Look, abundance of love, abundance of everything you will get. And in the near future, definitely you're going to have good things. So don't think compromise is a bad thing. Okay, for something good, if you need to compromise, that's okay. So now let's take the affirmation card. What the angels need to say for Leos from 1st October till 10th October, right? So let's seek for the angels affirmation, what they want to say. Purpose. The card has come, purpose. The angels remind you that every situation or person is placed on your path is with a purpose. It may be to strengthen you, offer you an opportunity to resolve or forgive the past, release old pattern, or for enjoyment. Your life purpose is ultimately to do that which brings you joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment. Seeking these soul qualities will place you on the path of your destiny. Once on your life path, allow nothing and no one to deflect you from your mission. Your guidance is to ask your angels to help you find the purpose of your current situation, or if you are ready, your life mission. Align your strength and willpower and hold your intentions to fulfill your purpose. The angel will support you and you will succeed. Look, affirmation is I am strong and determined. Look, same ways it is saying compromise. Compromise means like you have a fight. Example, you had a fight with somebody, but you have to resolve the situation. You have to resolve the situation. Then it's okay. It's okay if you say it's okay if you it's okay if you resolve or forgive, because the purpose, what it's saying, the same thing it's saying. Compromise means purpose. So you need to see the purpose of the life, why you are here, the purpose of the life. You know what you are here for, right? So you have to strengthen yourself rather seeking the old thing like मेरे को नहीं मैं उसको माफ़ नहीं कर सकता या कर सकती. It's not that. Please compromise with that. Forgive people. And compromise means ये भी हो सकता है कि आप आपको किसी चीज़ में इंजॉय लग रहा है कि भैया मेरे को आलस रहने में, अच्छे से आलसी रहने में अच्छा लग रहा है. एग्जाम्पल मैं दे रही हूँ, प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड. अगर आपको ऐसा अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं आलस रह के मेरे लिए अच्छा है, रहने दीजिए, मैं अपने कंफर्ट जोन से नहीं निकलना चाहता या निकलना चाहती. और अगर आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ता है, अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना पड़ता है, और उसके लिए आपको कुछ अच्छा, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, आपको उस कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाना है, तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कीजिए. डेफिनेटली अबंडेंस लाएगा. तो आपको अपना लाइफ पर्पस देखना है, और नियर फ्यूचर में बहुत जल्द होने वाला है ये. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड. So please, Leos, don't take it otherwise. It's a general guidance which we are getting from the cards. So please, So now we'll take guidance for all the Libras. So let's see what is the guidance for all the Libras. Oh, I think so I forgot Virgo. No worries. Right now we'll take guidance for Libra. Okay? Guidance for Libra from 1st October till 10th October. Guidance for Libra. Okay. Now look, listen to your intuition. There is something which you need to understand. You are not able to listen to your intuition. The first card is listen to your intuition. There is something which you are not able to take the decision. Okay, so what you can do, you can sit in a quiet place, think about it. Like example, if you are opting for a new job, okay, and you are not sure that if I change my job, it will be good for you or not. So what you can do, sit in a quiet place, try to listen what your mind is saying, what your heart is saying. Try to listen, is it good for you? So angels are saying just listen to your intuitions. And definitely there is something with Libras that some are not well, their health is improving. Okay, there is something I'm not saying it is for all Libras, but some Libras, they are not in good health, and they must be thinking, when will I overcome from my health? So the card, this angel card is indicating that very soon you're improving with your health and you will regain your strength. Okay, and choose a new direction. Choose a new direction. What does it mean? It means that you need to see a good direction for yourself, be it be in your job, in your anything. It's up to you how you choose. So you just need to listen to your intuition, choose a new direction for yourself. Maybe the direction you're going, maybe it's not good for you. Okay, and for some people the health is improving, and health is improving, it means that also, like it can be mm, yeah, it can be that somebody have manifested when my health will be improving. So it's that. Okay, and just you need to choose a new direction. No worries for that. Now we'll take guidance from angel cards, the affirmation card. Okay, let's see what the angel is saying to us. Oh, this card has popped out. Archangel Michael. Okay, now what this card is saying, when you are blessed with this angel card, you are guided to invoke Archangel Michael to help, protect and strengthen you. Okay, he will increase your ability to deal with problems, so ask him to cut with all his swords any emotional cord which binds you to people, stuck situation or past memories. Then ask him to fulfill you with strength and love. He will shield you from the destructive thoughts, emotions and actions of others. Okay. Archangel Michael works on the blue ray, giving strength and courage. Call for his help and visualize yourself wearing a deep blue cloak, securely fastened. This will place you under his protection. He is the master of all the angels, a great warrior spirit. Within his light, you will feel more secure, have more confidence, energy and power. So the affirmation is, I am strong and protected by Archangel Michael. So I think so there is some of you, this card is indicating that you are in, some of you are stuck in an emotional situation or some past memories you are in. So you need to choose new direction for yourself, move on from that direction. If you have some past memories or you are stuck in some situation, try to move on. Okay, listen to your intuitions. Call Archangel Michael. This is a very blessed card, you know. He is the master of all the angels. Archangel Michael is the master of all the angels. So he is blessing you. All the Libras, he is blessing you with this card. It is saying that he is blessing you. So you need to choose a new direction, be it be your past memories or you're stuck in a situation, or there are some people with you which you are not able to, you know, not able to forget them. So try to move on. Okay.